everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, yesterday our favorite couple, Dr. Sapose Nkosi no Dumungokstad, celebrated Nani'S first birthday, and Sapose Nkosi wrote a beautiful message to her daughter, and it reads, Mntanami, where do I even begin to express my love and gratitude for you? You are my exceedingly and abundantly more I have ever asked. Ephesians 3 verse 20. My and all these things shall be added unto you. Matthew 6 verse 33. You are my God who will supply every need of yours according to his riches. Philippians 4 verse 19. My every good and perfect gift is from above. James 1 verse 17. You are my answer to every prayer I have ever prayed. Mntanami, you are loved. Mommy loves you so much. I cannot believe you are all mine. Happy birthday, Lenani Zulu Zani Olumi Pakade. Oh, guys, what a beautiful message. In one of Dr. Nzimande's interview, or Dr. Sapose Nkosi Nzimande's interviews, she once mentioned ukuthi yena she had a challenge yokuthatha umntwana kwangekho lula, so she have to do ama processes amanye amaningi agcine ukuthi ke ekwazile ukuthi athole umntwana. But ke guys, uNkulunkulu emuhle ke bless them with a beautiful baby girl uLenani Zulu, and she was turning 1. Well, guys, happy belated birthday to our beautiful princess, guys. We love her big time. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below, and let's celebrate with the Nzimande family. Bye.